day 2 na po ng aming trip sa Taiwan. So, yung aming itinerary for today is probably mag-city tour po tayo. This is do it yourself. Kasi alam mo naman na mostly of our trips are always DIY. No, so this will be a very long day. And of course, prior to the trip namin o sa aming DIY for this travel is kumuha na kami ng fan pass sa Klook. No, so yung fan pass na kinuha namin is good for 3 days. No, so since yung fan pass is mayroon siyang unlimited rides sa MRT, meron din siyang free rides for some of the buses. At saka meron din siyang free entrances for I think mga nasa 30 to 50 attractions here in Taiwan. And that is good for 3 days. So good for 3 days yung ating fan pass. So right now is lalakad muna tayo papunta ng Taipei Main Station para kukunin o i-redeem natin yung ating fan pass. That is why sa aming pagdating kahapon sa airport is dumiretso agad kami ng Taichung. It's because we need to maximize the fan pass kasi if we will be going to Taichung today or by tomorrow, hindi namin siya ma-maximize. No? So there will be a day na parang masasayang yung fan pass natin. So since gusto natin i-maximize yung fan pass, is inuna na namin siya yung Taichung yesterday. Guys, so before tayo mag-start, ito na yung room namin. So this is good for 6. So meron siyang 2 bunk beds. Tapos yung per bunk is good for 3. Tapos ito na maliit. Actually, maliit lang siya, guys. Pero the space, it's already enough no to cater all of our things. Dito, ayan. Meron silang TV, meron din silang air condition. At the same time, meron silang sort of parang another extra aircon. Then, the good thing here is yung lavatory is nasa labas ng CR. So, hindi ka mag-aantay na. So, wala nang waste of time na mag-antay kung sino yung nasa CR para mag-toothbrush. Then, meron siyang mirror. The good thing also here is yung CR nila, guys. Ito yung CR. So, maliit lang din yung CR. Unfortunately, wala silang bidet. Pero meron silang shower here. Hot and cold yung shower, guys. When we say hot and cold, so very cold and so very hot. Ayan. For 3 nights that we booked this, we paid 3,800 per head. That is good for 15 packs. Sa 3 yung rooms yung kinuha namin. So per rooms is 5 yung occupants. Ayan. So cheap lang din siya, guys. Though wala siyang breakfast. But still, it's a good deal already here in Taipei. Nasa room 301 pala kami, guys. It's located on the 3rd floor of the building. The good thing here is merong dispenser, guys, in every floor. Uy, hala! Cineven just got refreshed and may pa ano po tayo, pabukton. So, meron silang dito, guys. Meron silang elevator. Actually, yung elevator nila is only good for 2 packs. Tsaka it's slow moving elevator siya. It's really slow, guys. Oh my God, ayun. So, yan yung hinanap ni Novem sa trip. Tanong siya ng tanong kung may water ba ang hotel. Ayan, so. Answered prayer, may water talaga. Kasi magwa-water therapy lang siya for the entire trip. Hindi siya kakain.
Yeah, no budget.
Kasi 5,000 lang yung na-withdraw niya. This is the lobby, guys, of our hostel. So, meron siyang mini kitchen. Kung gusto magluto. Kainan. May malaking flat screen TV.
Thank you very much.
Is our hostel. It's named Sunny Hostel. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Then, on that way is going to Taipei Main Station. It's 10-minute walk from the main station. And this area, you go straight. That is Siminding Station. Malapit lang yung Siminding. 10 minutes lang. The nearest station here is parang something hospital daw. Just cross the park over there. Walkathon, Besh. DIY. So, walkathon tayo, laban. We are now going to the Taipei Main Station to get our fan pass. We are now here at the Taipei Main Station. So, we'll be getting inside. Hanapin natin yung tourist service center. Dito na yung guys, yung tourist service center. Dito lang siya banda. Ayan. Eto na guys, ang ating Taipei Fun Pass. So this Fun Pass is good for 3 days. We got this in the Klook for 3,900 pesos. May unlimited rides and some of the free bus fare of some of the routes. And of course, meron siyang free entrance fee sa lahat ng more than 30 attractions in Taipei, including the Taipei 101, Shanghai Shek, at saka yung Taipei Zoo. So let's start exploring Taipei using this card. Digit mawala guys nga walay TikTok entry. Nag-TikTok pa sila. So later na tanto, later na tayo makaproceed sa tuang mga mga spots kaya nag-TikTok pa sila. So let's find the Taipei Metro area. Dito tayo sa baba kasi subway siya guys. I miss this this area. Yung mga time na nag-visit kami sa other countries na may mga subway. The last time I visited is sa Hong Kong. This is what the subway looks like here in Taipei. So, since napunta tayo ng Observatory 101, so we will be riding in the Tamsui Senior Line or the Red Line. I miss this scenario here. Jassy! Way back before when Jassy was my travel buddy, we've been a lot this kind of walk here in the subway. Yung ticket stations, pag pag gusto ko muna ng single entry ticket, dyan ka kukuha. So, dito tayo sa Tamsui Shenye Line. Papasok tayo. Yan. Gunit, ma'am. We have arrived at the Taipei 101. So, let's go exit. Look at the rush, guys. Ito yung rush ng mga peoples. Pagkalabas pa sa station, sa train is you have to go exit 4 para sa Taipei 101. Guys, ayan na yung Taipei 101. Ayan na yung Taipei 101, guys. When you exit the exit 4, so makikita nyo na agad ang tower. This is the iconic tower spot of 101. A better view of the Taipei 101, you need to go farther pa from the tower para makuha mo yung kabubuan ng structure. Medyo struggling paghanap sa area guys. Pagpasok mo nyo doon sa entrance ng Taipei 101, you proceed to the 5th floor you go to the 5th floor para sa observatory. Then when you enter the Taipei Observatory, the building, you go to the 5th floor para sa ticketing office or buy ng ticket. Dito pala. Dito tayo. Let's check first kung anong magiging settlement ng ating Fun Pass. Kasi yung Fun Pass included siya sa one of the free entrance ng pass. So you need first to go to the kiosk. Dito pala tinuro tayo para kumuha ng ticket. Hanapin nyo yung machine na may ganito guys. Taipei Fun Pass. Okay, si Novem, Pat. Okay. Ang book to ni Novem, dako pa sa iyahang Fun Pass. Okay. Next, si Beshi na po. Ano sabi? Home sa best home. Uli sa Tagbalay. English. Philippines, Asia, Pak. 10:30 kana now. Hindi best. Scan. Okay. After purchasing the ticket, you go to the entrance to the observatory. So, ma-observe natin ang mga tore later. We are about to go inside to the high-speed rail. Wow! Hello, wow! Translate ko, Ma'am Rab. Uy, dili mag-guni yung roller coaster, God. Wow. Nagkailaw na din. Salamat, Meralco. We have reached the observatory. Wow. So this is really the observatory. dito din the part guys, yung parang may malaki na na bola. Para pag lumindol is maano siya, ma-steady yung tower. Damper yung term. Yun. Ito yung nagko-control pag may lindol. We are currently at Ichiran. So right after po namin na Taipei 101 is nilakad lang namin ng mga 11 minutes or 900 meters dito sa main branch ng Ichiran sa Taipei. Of course, we will be trying Ichiran because we haven't tried it in Japan. So let's try it here. There, this is the Ichiran. Okay, right side. Right side, di ay. Pamrabi, ikaw yun ang apong paano, best in translation. Ito yung restaurant para sa mga introvert, no? Yan, so kakain na tayo, guys. So, may free water sila. Dash na water, dash. First thing you're going to do para sa Ichiran is, of course, you have to order circle na kung ano gusto mo na flavor at richness. Then you pass it to the waiter in front of you. Then I got my ramen already, guys. Oh my gosh, it's very. Gotta taste this. Wait, uyaw. Limik is siya, besh. Oh my god. Limik is siya, kabiyang. This is heaven. Masarap. Ayan, so tapos na kami kumain sa Ichiran. Very heaven, guys. I do not miss this food when you are here in Taipei. Actually, Ichiran is originally made in Japan, pero meron silang branch dito. As in, lichik yung sarap, guys. Right now, at 1 p.m., marami ng pila, guys. So, buti kami kanina is na-tsempohan namin na wala siyang pila. Perfect. After this we will be going to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. And after sa memorial is baka sa Longshan Temple at saka sa National Palace Museum. And now at the Chiang Kai-shek Station. So when you reach the Chiang Kai-shek Station, you go to exit 5 for you to go to the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. That is exit 5. Then nandyan na yung Chiang Kai. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Ito, isa talaga to sa mga spot dito sa Taipei rather. So, you never miss this spot when you are here in Taipei. This is the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Na guys, yung memorial talaga na spot is dyan banda. So, we can enter there using our fun pass for free. Pero the entire area of the Chiang Kai-shek is free siya. Then, meron dyan guys, merong changing of guards. I'm not certain of the time sa changing of guards. After namin ng Chiang Kai-shek, we are now already here at Shilin Station kasi pupunta tayo ng National Palace as part also of our free pass. Based from what I have read in the book in a website, from here is you're going to take a ride, the bus, R60 yung name para papunta ng National Palace. Ito din yung guys, yung famous na Shilin Night Market. Dito din siya. Go straight over there, tapos makakita, then turn right after. May makikita na tayo na bus stop for going to National Palace Museum. So, it's kind of a bit rainy, guys. Ganito talaga yung weather nila, right pag-afternoon. Pag umaga, sobrang init. Then right now naman is maulan na naman siya. Yan, there, over. Dito lang siya banda, guys. So, palakad lang tayo. Then may makikita kayong alley dyan na patoo, mapakanan. Dyan lang banda yung bus stop. Then, sakyan natin yung R30 papuntang National Palaces. Dito na, guys, yung bus station ng papuntang National Palace. Ayan, guys. Karating na kami sa National Palace of Taipei. So, instead na R30 yung sinakyan namin is 304. So, pababa sa 304, andito na agad sa National Palace. Let's go here. Yung bus fare is still included in our fun pass. So, free pa rin siya. Actually, free siya na unlimited ride for MTR at saka city bus. So, sakop na din siya sa Fan Pass. Very perfect. Kaso nga lang, maulan na at this afternoon. Ito na yung loob ng guys, ng museum. Entrance sa punta ng museum. Free pa rin yung entrance ha, gamit di Taiwan Fan Pass. Good thing dito sa Taipei guys, kasi some of the major attractions here, meron silang mga ganyan na mga water refilling station, which is very convenient for us. Meron silang mga dito guys, mga pots, different types of pots. 25 to 200 CE pa siya. Look at that. Ito yung isa sa mga makikita nyo dito sa National Palace Museum. Painted pottery pigs, no? Wala masyadong ganap dito guys. Not a fan naman of museum, kaya hindi ako masyadong naaaliw sa mga ganitong attractions. Well, anyway, it's also a good thing na pumunta din kayo dito para mapapicture sa labas. Ayan, so medyo maulan nga lang kanina na pa-picture natin, pero laban na. So after here, I guess parang babalik na kami muna ng hotel para mag-rest in a while. Tapos namayang gabi is pupunta kami ng Siminding. And we will spend our entire night in Siminding for the food trip and night market. We're back at Shilin guys, sa Zhongshan bus stop. So, papunta dito galing ng National Palace Museum. It's either you ride with 304, so most of the bus there will stop at Shilin Station. But after Shilin Station, you go to the station again, going to the hotel. So, balik muna kami ng hotel. Mag-rest muna kami at saka mag-fix. Then mamaya, lalabas tayo, papunta tayo ng Siminding. Of course.